Hi, it's Will. We're back here in the TRAKKA Akuna motorhome, cooking on our diesel stovetop. Right, so for lunch today, we're going to be having some snapper. We're going to wrap it in some paper with some soy, some honey and some ginger, and then we're going to serve it with some rice and have a little garnish of chili, lemon and coriander. First thing we're going to do is we're going to turn on the stove. So we're just getting some water in our pan to steam our fish. Here we go, it's about a third full. We're going to use the absorption method, which is about 1.5 cups of water to 1 cup of rice. We really don't want to be wasting water, so we're just going to use as much as we need. And then we will put our fish on the parcel, roughly in the middle like that. And then we will start to fold it in. So we'll make our first crease along the side, first crease along the other side, and then we'll fold it over the back, creating a little bowl area so that when we put our marinade in, we're not going to have any problem. And then we might just fold the fish over a couple of times, nice and covered in there. Got our fish in our steamer. You'll notice that we've put it, the fold side is down. Put it on our pot. Rice pot's starting to boil. We're just going to put our rice in there, and then we're just going to slide it over to the right hand side, which is slightly cooler and the perfect temperature for simmering. You can cook in any weather, anytime, anywhere, and there's plenty of ventilation even if you're cooking something like fish. Alright, so now we're going to make our little garnish. As you can see, we've got our long serrano chilies, usually not that hot. So we'll start picking our coriander now. We'll just leave the leaves, we don't need the stalks at all on these ones. The spring onions, and then we're just going to slice them down the middle. Don't have to be too accurate with it. Right, now we'll just add a little bit of lemon juice, tiny bit of vegetable oil. We'll just have a quick look at our fish. Look at that, perfect. I think it's about time we plate it up. There's a bit of a breeze today, and one of the best things about diesel stovetop is that we're not worrying about flames flickering around everywhere, and we can still really control the amount of heat we've got on the pan.